What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that is secured via encryption. Because cryptocurrencies are not issued by a centralized body, they are theoretically resistant to government intervention or manipulation. There are over 20,000 different types of cryptocurrencies, but Bitcoin is the most well-known and has the highest market capitalization. Users may purchase, sell, and trade cryptocurrency on exchanges such as Coinbase. Bitcoin was the first decentralized cryptocurrency. Developed in 2009 by an anonymous individual using the alias Satoshi Nakamoto. The system is peer-to-peer, and transactions are conducted directly between users using encryption, rather than through an intermediary like a bank or payment processor. These transactions are validated by network nodes and stored on a blockchain, a public distributed ledger that employs Bitcoin as its unit of account. Bitcoin, in addition to being produced as a reward for mining, may be traded for other currencies, products, and services in both legal and illegal marketplaces. Cryptocurrency is a sort of digital money that serves as a means of trade, a store of value, and a unit of account. It is a decentralized digital money that is created through the mining process. It is kept in a digital wallet and may be used to buy products and services, as well as exchange for other currencies. Although cryptocurrency is not backed by any government or central bank, it does have its own set of regulations that are defined by software developers. It is an open-source project in which all transactions are recorded on the blockchain and can be accessed by anybody. It uses cryptography to safeguard transactions and regulate the generation of new units. How to send and receive crypto. One of the most significant ways a person may utilize cryptocurrency is to send and receive it. When sending cryptocurrency, the sender must have access to their wallet and understand how to utilize it. A cryptocurrency wallet is a piece of software that maintains private and public keys and interacts with different blockchains to allow users to transfer and receive cryptocurrency while also monitoring their balance. A cryptocurrency wallet might take the form of an app, hardware, or an internet application. If you have a smartphone, you may install the wallet app on it. Hardware wallets are little devices that keep your private keys safe and secure. Because they are not linked to the internet, these wallets are regarded more secure. Although online wallets are hosted by a third party, they are still deemed secure if you do not disclose your private keys with them. You must know your wallet address in order to transfer or receive cryptocurrency. The wallet address is a lengthy string of numbers and characters used to transfer and receive Bitcoin. It is a string of numbers and letters that indicates the location of your digital cash. It is what you type in when someone wants to send you some crypto. When a person sends or receives cryptocurrency, they are utilizing a blockchain. A blockchain is a distributed ledger that records transactions online. It is also known as distributed ledger technology since it contains data blocks that are distributed to everyone on the network. This implies that no one can tamper with the data. The data saved in blockchains is validated by solving sophisticated algorithms, which requires time and computational power. This makes tampering with the data contained in blockchains almost impossible. Benefits of using cryptocurrency. Some of the advantages of using cryptocurrency include: it is decentralized and not regulated by any bank or government. It is also open and accessible. You may spend your money without going via banks or other financial institutions. Your transactions are anonymous and safe as long as you use an encrypted wallet with 2 keys, public and private. To get started with cryptocurrency, click the links in the description below. Like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.